how to set the action button to open the camera in photo or video mode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in settings, make sure you go back to the main settings page. Next, we scroll down and then tap on action button. From here, you want to swipe across and locate camera. Next, tap on the drop down list box. From here, you can select photo or video. So let's say if I select video, and now if I press and hold on the action button, that will allow me to quickly launch the camera in video mode. Okay, so now if I change it to photo mode, and if I press and hold on the action button, now it will launch a camera in photo mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.